Hey Dan, it's Shelly.
Hello?
Hey, I'm here. You can hear me?
Yes. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. I was just wondering, what's the details of my competence hearing again?
As soon as I get a copy of the order, I'm going to get it to you. But the person's name is Tracy Parsons. She's the third party who's going to be assisting.
Assisting how?
She's going to be your guardian.
Oh, she's my guardian. What does that mean?
Remember we talked about how she's going to help you make good health choices, and she's going to look into making sure you have enough services and see if there's anybody who can come and help you, with your apartment or with your groceries or something along those lines.
Well, mostly I need more money and for this whole nation to care. But I tell you,
those are very good and worthy goals and desires.
well, I would have been better off, honestly, if no one had picked me up from Swamp Rabbit Trail. All that time I spent asking people for, water on the middle of, the only subtropical climate in the whole country. It's pretty sad, don't you think?
It is. I'm just so glad that somebody finally found you and got you help.
Got me help? What do you mean? Why would I need help? They could have got me water or something, called police when I asked, but no one called police or anything. That was sad.
Crazy. Well, anyway, as soon as I get the order...
Hey, I got that doctor's note I told you about how I'm on amoxicillin.
You don't need that at this point.
No, I want to reverse the decision.
Well, she's going to do a review, and in 60 days she's going to have a review, and she's going to hear from you then.
No, I want you. You are my attorney, right?
With Tracy for the next 60 days and impress her with your ability to do the things on your own, and then you can go and tell the judge yourself.
I was between antibiotics the day of the hearing. I started antibiotics on the second day of the hearing. That's why I was too sick to make it.
I understand. But you see what I'm saying. We can talk about it when I bring you the order.
Hey, you know where I was in the park the other day?
Say again?
Hey, I was gonna ask you something. Oh God. So I'm on amoxicillin. I asked you repeatedly if you needed to see a copy of evidence that I'm on amoxicillin.
Right.
You don't, do you?
I don't need to say anything at this point.
Well,
She's going to basically hear from you in 60 days when she...
Why can't you hear from my own lawyer that I don't want a damn judge to decide what decisions I make by on amoxicillin right now, and I'm too sick to defend myself in court. My mom and my dad are abusive. What do you say?
Well, remember, we did not get them appointed. We got somebody else appointed.
I don't care. I don't want anybody appointed. I want to say no. I want my right as an American to say no. Is it my mental illness that I believe in liberty like my mom says?
In 60 days, she's going to have another hearing at which you can tell her that you don't want anybody.
No, I don't. I won't want another 60 days. I want to see. I want nobody now.
You're going to have it for 60 days.
Why do I have to have it for 60 days? What are these unhealthy decisions I'm making? I don't understand.
Well, you can talk with Tracy about that when she comes.
No, I want to talk to my lawyer. I've seen you in the face how many times now? Twice? 3 times?
Well, there was twice that we met, and then there was the time that I picked you up for the hearing, and then the time that I called you and said I was coming to pick you up for the hearing that you didn't come down.
I was in bed. I'm on antibiotics, sir. With respect.
Whatever.
Whatever? What do you mean, whatever?
Whenever I get the order, I will bring it to you. We can spend some time then.
Who's my judge again?
It's the probate judge of Greenville County.
What's her name?
First of all, I should ask you why.
I was wondering, if I would write her a letter, who I want to write her a letter about, protesting this or something, who would I address it to?
She won't receive a letter from you because they'll intervene and they'll hold it. But in 60 days, she's going to give you full and fair opportunity to tell her whatever you like.
Why would the letter be held? Why can't I just? I mean,
She's going to read it.
Nobody would read it.
She's not going to read it. She's going to hold it, and she'll hear from you directly.
I've never even spoken to her hardly. I don't even know her name.
You said a number of things that day, for sure. You spoke out.
I sang Yankee Doodle Dandy, right?
Later in the week, and I'll bring it to you, and you can read it. We'll read it together, and then you can decide what you want to do.
No, I know what I want to do. I want to cancel the decision because I was on antibiotics at the time. I mean, you keep saying you don't need to see the antibiotics, but then you don't.
It's going to be canceled.
What?
It's not going to be canceled. It's not going to be canceled for 60 days. It's in place for 60 days.
What happens in those 60 days? What are my rights at this point?
Have a hearing.
A hearing?
You've been very responsible and you communicate that with Tracy Parsons, then the judge will probably let them...
Who the hell is Tracy Parsons? What business of hers am I? And why do I have to prove to her that I'm being...
Now, listen, I told you who she was, and if you can't remember who she was...
She's a psychiatrist.
You do need a guardian, because I went through it with you on either Monday or Friday extensively who she is.
Extensively? You told me she was a psychiatrist. It's like 5 minutes of conversation.
She's a social worker. And she's
Social worker.
to be your temporary guardian for 60 days. But in 60 days, the judge is going to reevaluate where the situation is. And so my best advice is to cooperate with her to the fullest and receive all these additional services she's going to look for to give you.
What do those get me? I don't have my freedom, man. I just want the right to say no. I mean...
You do have your freedom. You can do whatever you want to, however you want to.
Oh, good. I want to cancel incompetence.
You can go, the only thing that you cannot do, well, you can make contracts. I mean, you can pretty much, even the money is going to be yours as long as you're responsible with it.
What does responsible mean? What are healthy decisions? What is all that?
Well, for example, if you pay your rent on time and don't get evicted, that's a very healthy decision.
I did that every single month. I literally only failed to pay rent once. Right. And then when I didn't make it back, it was because no one would call police when I asked. No one would give me water. No one would give me food. I got threatened with police for asking for food.
I'll call you. We get together.
What?
Thank you so much for calling me.
Wait. I need to know what's going on. I mean, what was the evidence against me? What was the evidence against me? I'm so sick. I can barely breathe half the time.
Two doctors at the Springbrook Mental Health Facility who said you needed to have a guardian.
Dr. Sanchez, I barely talked to the man in the hospital.
And what you need to do is keep the appointments with your current psychiatrist. And in 60 days, we can ask her, one, does he need a guardian? Two, does he not need a guardian? And then she can just say yes or no. So if you cooperate,
she can just say yes or no. Who?
Need anybody, then that will be examination showing that you don't need anybody. This
Hey,
is a temporary appointment.
is me calling you on the phone like this upset and stuff? Is this healthy?
Say again?
Is this healthy for me to call you like this?
It's probably better for us to talk whenever I get the order, because at this point, I'm just telling you stuff, but I'm going to actually give you a piece of paper.
Well, why didn't you call me any witnesses? I need witnesses, but I was so sick. I mean, it's like less than a month to prepare a whole case. Why on antibiotics?
Possibly help you.
What?
Honestly, the only witness that would possibly help you is your current new psychiatrist. You've only seen her one time.
Why would she be the only one who would help me? I mean, I got loads of friends from the past.
It's a medical issue.
It's a medical issue?
It's a medical issue. And I can, look, when I come
So someone I've never met, somebody I met one time, and a judge I've literally never had, who never allowed me to testify, get to decide that I'm unhealthy, deprive me of my every legal right. And what year is it?
Oh, that's not true. They didn't terminate your legal rights.
How? What does incompetence mean? I thought I lost all my right to...
It's incapacity, not incompetence.
What?
When I get the order, I'll come and sit down with you and go over it with you.
What is the order? I don't even know any of this. What's going on?
When the judge makes a decision, it gets typed up on a piece of paper and she signs it, and then everybody gets a copy of it. When I get the copy of it, I'll bring it up.
Everybody signs it? Do I have to sign it?
So, the judge signs it.
What's the judge signing? What does it mean?
We will get a copy of it.
Wait, I have a letter from a doctor.